safely. Woo! All right, guys, just landed. Can anybody guess what I am? Anybody? That's right, a pilot. Now, what does a pilot do? Does anyone know? Well, I'll tell you. Pilots work in the field of aviation. Aviation is a science of designing and flying an aircraft. Now, what's an aircraft? A flying machine. All right, what do you think an aerospace engineer does? What does an aerospace engineer do? It's someone who designs, develops, and tests aircraft. Now, who knows what aeronautics is? Aeronautics refers to the science or practice of travel through the air. Now, today, we're gonna be making our own aircraft. Are you guys ready? You guys ready to be a pilot? You guys ready to be an engineer to build our own aircraft? I'm ready. Let's go. All right, guys, so today we're going to be making a delta wing aircraft simply using paper. Now, other materials you'll need are a pair of scissors. Make sure you have a parent's help. You're gonna need some tape, color materials, and you'll also find this piece of paper here, but we'll talk about that later. Let's get started. All right, so we have our piece of paper and we're going to fold it the long way in half, very neatly, making sure our lines are straight. We're gonna open it up and we're going to fold the bottom corners into triangles toward the middle evenly. So I'm just gonna do one at a time, lining it up with that middle line. Like that, and then the next one. Like that, okay? So now we're gonna put our finger right here at the point, and we're gonna grab the edge over here where our triangle was folded, and we're gonna fold it toward the middle line. Like that, and we're gonna do that on the other side also, okay? Just like so. Now, you should have something that looks like this. So next, we're going to now fold each wing backwards and line it up to the other end like this. We're going to do that for both sides. So now we have this stage, all right? So at this stage, we're going to design our aircraft. Okay, for this next step, we're going to tape the top of our aircraft. Okay, just gonna tape it closed. Like so, okay? So now, with our scissors on the back of our aircraft, we're going to do two small slits right here and right here. Here and here. So now we have it opened here and we're going to fold. So let's close our plane and fold it down just like so, and do the other side the same way. So now when we open it back up, we have these flaps here, And we're gonna go on ahead and test these out. All right, guys, before we go and fly our aircraft, I just wanna let you guys know that you guys have just become aerospace engineers. Yay! Now, are you guys ready to become a pilot? Let's go fly our aircrafts. All right, guys, for safety, we're gonna get our scissors with the parent nearby, and we're going to cut the very tip of our plane, okay? Now, this is to make sure we don't poke anybody in the eye, and we're gonna also make sure that no one is around when we're ready to fly, all right? So, let's go. All right, guys, remember this paper that we talked about earlier? This paper is gonna refer to the elevons, which are the flaps that we cut earlier. Now, depending on what position they're in, so whether they're up, straight, down, however it may be, it affects the way that it flies, it moves. So, we're gonna go on ahead and test it out. The first position is a neutral position, which is both of the elevons straight, okay? Let's test it out. All right, guys, we're ready for takeoff. Now, what do you guys think will happen in this neutral state with our elevons straight? All right, so this question here says, what happens to the plane? Now, as you guys saw, it went just straight. So we're gonna put the plane went straight. All right, now, the next is with both of our elevons up, just like that. You guys ready? What do you guys think will happen? Let me know. Okay, with both up, it looked like mine's flipped and fell to the ground. All right, now we're gonna put them down and take flight. With both of our elevons down, it went straight down. Now, we're gonna put our left side up and leave our right side down. You guys tell me what you think will happen. All right, guys, with the left wing up, it looked like it spiraled to the left. Now, we're just gonna flip sides. Left down, right up. Now, I can only guess what you guys think will happen. Looks like it spiraled to the right. All right, you guys, I hope you guys had a great time. But first, let's go over some trivia questions. First question is, what is an aircraft? Well, an aircraft is a flying machine. Great job. Number 2, what is the difference between a pilot and an engineer? Do you guys know? A pilot flies planes and an engineer designs them. That's pretty cool. We did a lot of that today, right? Aeronautics is a science that deals with what? Air, land, or sea. If you guessed air, you are right. Great job. All right, last trivia question. If you have an interest in a job in aviation, then you most likely want to operate airplanes, cars, or boats. Airplanes. That's right. Great job. All right, here are just a few personal questions you guys can answer for yourself. What is the most important lesson that you learned from this activity? Did this activity inspire you to want to become a pilot or an aerospace engineer? Would you rather be a pilot or aerospace engineer? If you were a pilot, what do you think you would like most, and what do you think you would like least? And finally, if you became an aerospace engineer, what would you think you would like most, and what do you think you would like least? All right, so you guys make sure you turn in your videos of you guys flying your aircraft to map@cityofmontclair.org, and we'll see you next time. Bye.